welcome back to West Virginia Cryptids and Strange Encounters. Today I'm in an area near Grafton called Pleasant Creek. Some of you may know that the legend of Grafton with the Grafton Monster, and there's been some sightings of other, I guess you say, Bigfoot creatures in this area since then. That was in 1964. But the reason I'm here today is because I've heard that, I know we were in a drought, but I've heard the water level is way down for this time of year. They've actually told all the boats to pull out at the marina like in July. And here it is September and the water is way down. So let's go down here and check it out and see if we can find anything. Look, maybe some prints somewhere or anything like that. So yes, the water is amazingly low for this time of year. Wow. Normally you don't see it like this until winter pool. And it's usually a little bit lower than this during then because that right there is usually a large mud flat. I guess you can still get boats in somewhere because there's a boat. But I do know the marina is closed now and all the boats from the marina have had to be pulled out or the boats were going to be stranded. That's what my understanding was. You can see the normal water level. It's usually quite a ways up here, probably up about, because it's like a rock beach right here for most of the year. Usually probably about 3 or 4 feet, or not 3 or 4 feet, 20 or 30 feet from that grass line. You usually have like a beach. In the real wet months, it's all up to the grass line. Yeah, that's crazy. You see where they've been putting in artificial fish habitats, I guess you'd say. I mean, they're using natural materials for the most part. There's some PVC pipe and block, but wow, it is way down there. All right, so let's have a look and see what we can find. Yeah, even during the winter pool months, this is usually a fairly decent stream that comes down through here. And there is almost no water. I mean, there's no flowing water for sure. Just some standing water. This is some of the mud flats I was talking about. You know, when winter pool, you can come out here and walk these, and you can get across the stream here in a couple places, but usually I go way over there, and there's more mud flats you can check out. And sometimes I'll get up in the woods there. Here's something I was hoping to find, just the pool water. I know this lake, the lake's still got a lot of water in it, but back here in the backwaters, I was hoping to find some of these pools to see if there would be any kind of animal activity around them. Tons of little bird prints. I found some deer prints. But yeah, you can see all, I don't know if you can see those. Those are all bird prints. Nice flipper. There's another little pool. There's some deer prints. And little bird prints are everywhere. All kind of them. Yeah, I'm looking for the soft mud near these pools. Some kind of prints there, I can't tell from here, but what they are, let's take a look. There's some deer. That looks like somebody's shoe. Wow, there's only one. It's kind of weird. That's a shoe print. So there's been other people out here walking around for sure. I think I want to get on that side over there. Some kind of footprint. Bigger shoes, but some more deer. As you can see, it's been dry. Look how crusty that mud is. What we got here? Huh. Where's this coming from? Can't tell what they are. Down there's been drug in pretty far. Whatever it was, drug the foot a good bit. Looks like it went up the hill. I can't tell for sure. We had a little bit of rain the past couple days, and not much, but enough to probably, wash some of these tracks out. Ton of deer tracks. Yeah, there's some shoe prints there. This is absolutely amazing to be able to do this at this time of year. I'm used to doing this in the wintertime. And you couldn't ask for better weather than what we got today. Look at them skies. Or look at that sky, them skies. I mean, look at that sky. Wow. It's cool. I mean, the weather's like, since yesterday, dramatic change. It was 90 yesterday, and I think we're like 70 today. Low humidity, nice breeze, cool wind. Absolutely amazing. All right, folks, I've been walking back in here a little bit, looking around, see if I can find anything. And I think I might have found something interesting. I can't tell where they've come from. It looks like something was, I don't know, it might have been a shoe. I don't know. I can't tell for sure. But you can see that's pretty wide. I mean, you can't get it. I'll have to get something out here to get a better, something for better perspective. There's another one. There's that one. They're not very big. Wide. I think you can definitely tell they're slide in. Something slid into them. There. Like I said, could be somebody in shoes. You can see where it come over. Actually looked like it stepped on the rock. Slid down the edge of the rock. There. And then I kind of lost track of them. Let me see if I can find them. Something went through here recently. Probably looks like a deer. But yeah, I'm not sure where that one really led off to. There's the last one that I can find. Actually, it looks like there's two there. Yeah, there's two. Something stood side by side, with their feet side by side there. Can't say what it is for sure. They're kind of washed out. But yeah, it's pretty neat. They come from over here. Actually, that looks like one of the first ones. Something definitely stepped there and slid. And here's what I'm saying, might be a shoe. I don't know if you can see the marks right here. Right there. Oh, that wind is going to mess up. I know it's going to mess up the audio for sure. Oh, there's another one over here. So we got one there. We got two sets, it looks like it, maybe. Yeah, we do. Here's another one. Just set over here. There's two sets. Okay, let me look here. So maybe they're going. I think, and that's why I can't find them over here. I think they've turned around. That one there, the one I thought was the first one, is going, they're actually going up the hill. So something come off the hill, or someone, over here, right here. Stood side by side, turned around, and came back. Find any more about here. Well, folks, I walked around a little bit more, didn't find anything else, and so I think I'm just gonna cut the video short here. As you can see, the wind is just blowing too bad. It's messing up the audio. I don't have a microphone for this phone yet, so yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to cut it short. But you never know until you get out here and try. You never know what you'll find, so get out there and try. It's on to the next adventure.